What up guys, this is Joshua from TechNews.com and today we got a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9 for us to unbox and take a quick look of it. Now if you take a look at the box, you can clearly tell that this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 because of the yellow S Pen, the brand new yellow S Pen. So without further ado, let's just open this box up. Yalah, janganlah cakap banyak lagi, buka je lah, cakap je. Memang I suka cakap sangat, tapi je lah. Woo! Samsung Woo! Galaxy Note 9. Woo! So we're just gonna take it out, take a quick look of it. This is the ocean blue and we'll just put it aside. Take a look what's inside the box. Pretty much all the usual stuff you get from purchasing a Galaxy Note 9 with a AKG headset. Okay lah, cukup lah jangan tengok box ini lagi sebab hari ini kita akan tengok smartphone ini, the Galaxy Note 9. Oh yeah, Galaxy Note 9 secured by Knox, powered by Android. So there you go, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it is now turned on, and if you look at the design, it is pretty similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy Note 8, but slightly different when it comes to the screen size and also the placement of the fingerprint sensor. It is now moved from the side of the camera module to the bottom of the camera module because it is much easier to reach with your index finger. For some reason, with the bigger size screen, I felt that it has a better grip on my hand. It felt more balanced throughout the phone, so I would say that's the improvement when it comes to the grip. Now Samsung has always been very innovative with their product, but there's a slight change of direction when it comes to the Note 9. They are now focusing more on function, usability, and make it stronger and better. It might look like a phone that is less fun compared to most recent phones, but still, if you take a look at the specs, it offers us almost everything that we wish that we can get in a smartphone. Let's say the latest Exynos 9810 processor with up to 8GB of RAM with 512GB of ROM. You can also further expand it up to 1TB of memory storage, which is a lot when it comes to a smartphone device that have more storage than my PC. Aku rasa my PC boleh buang sudah. Aish. And also the battery capacity. So we always complain that we need bigger battery on the Galaxy Note 8. Well, guess what? Samsung gave us 4000 mAh on the Galaxy Note 9. Also on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, it has water carbon cooling system. So what it does, it helps you to cool down your smartphone when you play intense graphic games. When it comes to the camera, there's two new features that has been introduced on the Galaxy Note 9. Number one is Scene Optimizer. Boom! Basically, it will detect the scene and helps you to enhance your photo. Just like this one, it shows that it is a plan, it helps you to enhance the green color. And the next feature will be flaw detection. Say you want to take a photo, but for some reason you shake your hand while you take the photo, it will show that the last shot might be blurred. So you know that you failed your last shot, then you need to retake your photo. Now let me try take a selfie. Whoa! Banyak handsome. Super handsome sir. So the flaw detection also works on the selfie. Say you blink while you took the photo, it will show that check whether someone blinked. And of course, everyone who liked the Note series is due to the S Pen. Tada! Yellow dengan biru. Yellow dengan biru. Cantik eh? It seems like the S Pen is more sensitive compared to previous gen, which makes you felt like you are actually using a pen to draw. Other than that, you also get some new features using this S Pen. Now, it can work as a remote when you take a selfie, like bam, 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 bam. You just press the button right here and it will press the shutter button. You can also use it to play your video or pause your video with just single click. Or you can just double press it to skip to the next video. Pretty neat. I sudah suka you lah. Boleh jadi girlfriend I lah. It may sound just like a simple new features, but I can say that this is indeed a very useful feature. Also, the Galaxy Note 9 now support DeX. You can just plug in a HDMI to USB Type-C cable. You can easily transform your Note 9 to a portable PC. You can do some slideshow or some simple tasks and so on. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It might look normal, but seriously, for those who don't like notch, it doesn't have a notch. For those who enjoy stereo speakers, it has it on the Note 9 now with Dolby Atmos. For those who prefer to use Face Unlock, it has iris scanner to make it quicker and more secure. Paired up with the latest processor, with high gigabyte of RAM and also the high capacity of battery and also the memory storage. This could be everything you wish for in a smartphone in 2018. Lama Joshua ni dramatic. Rasa macam best year note ni. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And make sure to visit us at technews.com for more tech news. And I'll see you guys in the next one.